Hello, Professor. Hope all is well. Hope your Thanksgiving break is going pretty well. Today I'm going to be doing all my screencasts, catching up on those. The first one that I need to get done is this Chapter 4 Alternative 2 website. I actually really enjoyed looking at this because I didn't know it was a thing beforehand, and now if I ever want to get out of paying for a certain software application, I can always hop on over here and check out this website to let me know kind of what I can do to get around that. So today I'm going to be showcasing Libre Office Writer. This is kind of similar to, well, this is very similar to Microsoft Word. Over here I've already had it installed. You go ahead and open it. You have access to Writer document, calc spreadsheet, Empress presentation, drawing, math formula, and then base database. So these are Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Paint, and math formula. I'm guessing is just for computing and stuff like that as well. So over here we're going to open up the Writer document. As you can see, it has like a very similar view to Microsoft Word as well. I personally really enjoyed this because nowadays when you need to get Microsoft, you have to go to online or to Best Buy somewhere and buy an access code, and those will run you upwards of $100 sometimes, even more if you want the nicer editions. Obviously there are some free options if you're a student, but then again, not everybody has access to that. So here you can create new text documents, spreadsheets, presentations, all of what we saw earlier on the left. You can save them as PDFs, export them, make copies, and even put them into different folders as well. So like if I wanted to, I could open up any part of my computer, just ask for permissions, and I can save this document, for instance, to my desktop if I wanted to as well. I like this a lot just because of its ability to be able to customize, as well as even do some things that Microsoft wouldn't be able to, like the math section of this. A lot of times you have to download a specific program as well, just to do formulas on a document like this. Right here, as you can see, almost everybody's familiar with Microsoft Word. You can add your title, change the fonts. We have every kind of font as well. And all of this is free. They give you the option to donate via PayPal or credit card upon downloading it, or like a free time that you can donate to help out Libre itself. But I thought this was really cool. I really enjoyed looking at Alternative 2. I'm actually going to go ahead and bookmark it after this as well. It's super useful. That's all I have to show for LibreOffice. Hope you have a great Thanksgiving.